Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By Isesaki FM AI. Cleaning workers were taken to the hospital with suspected carbon monoxide poisoning. Around noon on the 20th, 5 male workers in their 20s to 40s from a cleaning company were cleaning at a meat processing plant in Isesaki City when they complained of symptoms such as nausea and dizziness. According to the police, all 5 were taken to the hospital with suspected carbon monoxide poisoning. But all of their symptoms were mild and they are not in any danger of dying. The police planned to question them about the situation at the time, such as how the factory was ventilated.